Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we'll discuss about question number 15 of 2014 physics paper 1 JEE advanced. So let us solve question number 15. Students, let us solve question number 15. It says that to find the distance d over which a signal can be seen. Suppose this is distance t over which a signal can be seen clearly in foggy conditions. So foggy conditions, a railway engineer uses dimensional analysis and assumes that the distance depends on mass density rho of the fog, intensity S of light that is used from the signal. So from the signal, so this is the signal, the light is the intensity of light S, the fog which has got density rho, and its frequency, signal frequency is F. The engineer finds that the distance d is proportional to, he finds that d is proportional to s to the power 1 over n, and you have to find the value of n. This is the question. Now we have, this is a just question I think we have in this 2014, the dimensional analysis. In dimensional analysis, we know that it says that distance d depends on few factors like density and intensity and the frequency of light source. The power of which is unknown, so I'll consider a, b, c. The distance is proportional to, so this is equal to some constant rho to the power a, s to the power b, f to the power c. This is how we write the dimensional equation, and we have to now use the dimensional analysis by putting the dimensions of both sides of the equation. So this is d in terms of dimension, it will be m0 l1 t0. This is the dimension of distance. This is, I consider this as a dimensionless constant, so no dimension. Density is mass upon volume, so this is ml minus 3 to the power of a. S is the intensity of light, which is the energy flowing out per second per unit area. So energy flowing out is ml square t minus 2. This is the dimension of energy flowing out per second t and per area L square, this to the power of b. And f is a frequency which is a reciprocal of the time period, so it is 1 upon t to the power c. If I write common same thing together, similar quantities, m raised to a, here m raised to b, so it is plus b. This L square will cancel out here, and this is t raised to minus 3. So t raised to minus 3 here, and t raised to minus c here, minus c. Now L is here L raised to minus 3a. So these are the things. If I have dimensions on this side, this is this. What I will do now, I'll equate the powers of the same quantity. Here the dimension, the power of m is 0. Here the power of m is a plus b. So that means for this to be equal to this, the a plus b must be equal to 0. So this one, from here A plus B has to be 0. This is equation number 1. Similarly, if I see that this one L raised to 1 must be equal to L raised to minus 3a, L power has to be equal. So here L raised to 1, here also L raised to minus 3a. So from here minus 3a equals to 1 or a equals to minus 1/3. Next we have t raised to 0 and t raised to this. So minus 3 minus c equals to 0. So we have t raised to 0 equals to t raised to minus 3 minus c. This implies minus 3 minus c equals to 0. Implies that c equals to minus 3. I got a is minus 1/3, c is minus 3, and I have equation a plus b equals to 0. We have equation a plus b equals to 0. So b equals to minus a, which is 1/3. Because I put minus 1/3 here, so it becomes plus 1/3. Now I got all the values. Now coming back to the original equation, the d is proportional to s to the power, you can see here b here. So b comes out to 1/3. So that means d is proportional to x to the power 1/3. And in the question it is given, you can see here that the distance d is proportional to s to the power 1 over 3, 1 over n. So in the question it is given d is proportional to s to the power 1 upon n, and we got d proportional to s to the power 1 by 3. If you compare this, given it is proportional to 1 by n in the question, if you compare these two, then 1 by 3 must be equal to 1 by n. From here n equals to 3. So this is how we got the answer. The n is coming out to be 3. This is the answer to this question. So basically this question is about the relations of a given quantity in terms of other quantities. So and we just have to calculate the unknowns, and in the question it is given that the unknown that we got is like so, and if it is like so, then what is the answer? We compared and got the answer. Okay, thank you.